Hello children. Now let us discuss about addition of rational numbers. Suppose you are given the question, find the sum of the rational numbers 3 by 8 and 7 by 8. 3 by 8 plus 7 by 8. Both of them are having the common denominator 8. So if the denominator of given rational numbers are the same, then the denominator of their sum will also be the same. So 3 by 8 plus 7 by 8. In this sum, the denominator is also 8. And what about the numerator then? The numerator of the sum of two rational numbers with the same denominator is the sum of numerators of the given numbers. So we need to add both the numerators. 3 plus 7, which gives you 3 plus 7 by 8, which is 10 by 8. So 3 by 8 plus 7 by 8 is equal to 10 by 8. In this, the denominator of both the fractions is 8. So the denominator of the sum is also 8, and the numerator is the sum of the numerators of the given rational numbers. 10 by 8 in simplest form is 5 by 4. Now let us take one more example. Add the rational numbers 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. So 4 by 5 is a positive rational number and minus 2 by 5 is a negative rational number. But both of them are having the common denominator 5. As discussed in the previous example, the same thing applies for this sum also. The denominator for this sum will be 5 and the numerators will be added, which is 4 plus minus 2 plus 4 plus minus 2. So we know that when two integers of different sign are being added, we need to subtract them, which is 4 minus 2, 2 by 5 is the answer. So thus the sum of 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 5 is 2 by 5. Let us consider one more example. Find the sum of the rational numbers minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 3. Minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 3. In this, what can we observe? Both the rational numbers are having different denominators. To add rational numbers with different denominators, we convert them into equivalent rational numbers having the same denominator. So the different denominators 3 and 4 should become the same denominators. We can do it by taking LCM of 4 and 3. LCM of 4 and 3 is nothing but their common multiple, that's 12. 4 into 3, 12. So minus 3 by 4 can be written as minus 3 into 3 by 4 into 3, which gives you minus 9 by 12. And the same thing for 5 by 3 also. 5 by 3 can be written as 5 into 4 by 3 into 4, which gives you 20 by 12. So now let us rewrite minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 3 as minus 9 by 12 plus 20 by 12, which are equivalent fractions of minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 3. So minus 9 by 12 plus 20 by 12 is minus 9 plus 20 by 12, which is 11 by 12. Thus the sum of the two given rational numbers is 11 by 12. Consider the rational numbers minus 3 by 4 and 3 by 4. Let us find the sum of these two numbers. Minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. You can see that the first rational number is the negative of the second rational number. Then what could be their sum? Both of them are having 4 as the denominator. So let us make 4 as the common denominator. Then what about the numerators? Minus 3 plus 3. Both are of same different sign. So 3 minus 3 is 0 by 4, which gives you 0. So the sum of a rational number and its inverse is always 0. So two rational numbers whose sum is 0 are called additive inverses of each other. So here 3 by 4 is additive inverse of minus 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 is the additive inverse of 3 by 4. Now let us see what we have discussed up to now. The numerator of the sum of two given rational numbers with the same denominator is sum of the numerators of the given rational numbers, as discussed in the first and second example. And next one is to add the rational numbers with different denominators, convert them into equivalent rational numbers having the same denominator. That is, take the LCM, unlike denominators. So two rational numbers whose sum is 0 are called additive inverses of each other. Thank you.